Good morning, ladies and gents. Thanks for tuning in to another watchlist video brought to you by FTX. If you don't have an FTX account, then feel free to use the link in the description below and you will receive 10% off your trading fees. Quick watchlist video. We've got a little bit of a watchlist to keep an eye on. Nothing straight away, unfortunately. I'm interested to see how this market plays out with a few levels that we're sitting on. So Bitcoin, there's nothing there. We've just pushed it back down into that range after rejecting a level at around 31,500. And we're just sideways on this 4-hour time frame. Metal, nice setup yesterday, set up last night. So anyone that's in that, well done. You would have hit 1-to-1 and you will still be in that. And yeah, no real update on metal. Let's just see how it plays out. It looks quite bullish, and it's one of the few that does have a nice bullish daily trend, which is good. Cello was on the 8-hour time frame, so we've had numerous tests on this level. So if you are in the community or you've done the courses, you know what a breakout is. That's what we're watching on this. Failing that, a break and retest of that level would be nice on the 8-hour time frame. That's probably what I'm hoping for. I'm a little bit less inclined to take a breakout trade in the current market conditions, just because the daily on most of these tokens is overall sideways, and for a breakout to work the best, you need nice momentum on especially these higher time frames. So we don't really have that on Cello, so a break and retest is what I'm waiting for. Spell, same again, 8-hour time frame, test. A break and retest back into that level for a nice cradle trade to the short side is what I'm waiting for on Spell. Anchor is one that is trending on these mid time frames, the 4-hour, the 2-hour, the 1-hour. So I'm watching this 1-hour. We've had a nice pullback here and another leg lower. So a pull back into that cradle zone with a bearish candle is what I'm waiting for on Anchor. It won't be for another few hours, but we'll see how that sets up, if at all. Ave, similar to Anchor and Spell, we've had 3 tests. We did break that level, so a breakout is void by now. But we are creating those lower highs down into this level. So a break and a retest of that level is what I'm waiting for on Ave. Axie, we've got a level to watch. I'm just interested to see how it does react with this level, whether we do see another test and rejection of that level, which I believe will happen, just because it has done it so many times in the past and the daily is quite sideways. So we'll just see how it interacts with that level. Phantom, on this 1-hour time frame, we've got this lower high and we've broken that level. A pullback to that level for a cradle trade is what I'm after. It didn't quite set up for a breakout trade. I wouldn't have taken that as too large a gap in between the touches. So it's this 1-hour and the 2-hour time frame that I'm waiting for to form, the buyers to push the price back up into that cradle zone with a retest on that level. Hollow Perp was another one with a solid level through here. We have broken that. What we need to see from now is some follow through on this break and then a pullback to retest that level. This is a good example of why I'm less inclined to take a breakout trade at the moment, because of the daily momentum being overall sideways. We get these breaks that happen, they break really quickly and then just get fully retraced almost straight away. So that's why you need a good price direction on those higher time frames. We didn't have that on Hollow Perp. So yeah, some follow through to the short side, pull back to that level is what we're waiting for. And Sushi, finally, 3 tests forming down into that level with a series of lower highs. Again, we were just waiting for a break and retest cradle trade. But failing that, we're just mainly interested to see how the price reacts with these levels. But yeah, bit of a small to medium sized watch list for this morning. Nothing straight away, unfortunately, but I will keep you guys updated in the community. Bobby. Spell, so Spell is a new token. I tend to update my perp list every the start of every month, so it's probably worth doing, so then you keep up to date with some of the new tokens that FTX have released. Yeah, so there you go. So your last 3 trades almost hit 1-to-1 and then went the other way. So that's just, it's not, how do I say, it's we have faith in the strategies, that we know the strategies work. We just need the market conditions to do their thing. And currently the market is sideways or confused. So we may see setups, but they just don't work out as well as we'd hoped. And then you go back through the timeframes and you look at the overall market condition, and if it is sideways, then you can understand why, why those trades didn't work out. You're trying to, we're trend traders. We need those trends to be able to trade, and if those trends are just forming or they're subpar trends and we're taking trades in those trends, they generally don't tend to work out because the price just wants to move sideways. So you get entered in or stopped out before you even get entered in. So it is difficult trading conditions at the moment. So our best bet is just to sit on the sideline and conserve our capital, and we'll be ready for the next bull run. But thanks for tuning in. Bit of a small watch list, but yeah, I'll keep you guys posted in the community if anything does show up. I hope you have a great week and weekend coming up, and I'll chat to you guys soon.